Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how I transformed this table, which was lying around in a garden shed, very unloved, into this, which I'm now having my breakfast on every morning. So first things first, I had to scrape and get rid of all that old paint. That took quite a while. It was a little bit worse for wear. So I started scraping off the old paint. It was easy enough at the start, but it got more challenging as time went on. So a lot of paint was in the grooves between the mosaic tile pattern. Eventually I used a wire brush and some light sandpaper to take it off. I couldn't get it all off, so I actually used just white spirits and nail varnish remover as well in the end. This is the paint that I used to cover the legs. So this is just black railing paint, and then I had some gold paint that I could use for the I wanted to use for the inside, or sorry, the top of the table. So that's paint that you can use inside or outside. My lovely husband put some rust-proof paint around the edges, and then the next day I just started painting all around the edges again with the black paint that you use for railings. I did 2 coats. I like this paint. I have it left over from painting the rails, and good for gates as well in a house. I find it very hard wearing. You can get it in any DIY shop. I used the gold paint to start working onto the top. So the gold metallic paint, again, I got in a hardware store. I was thinking of, I put some blue nail varnish around the edge of the table, but I kind of went over that in the end with a lighter coloured nail varnish. And I also used kind of a copper pen decoration tool for the edges. The gold has a lovely shimmery effect, and so does the copper. When I was done, I used a sealer to go over it once just to make it waterproof, and here you can see the final results. So I hope this was helpful for you, and enjoy your upcycling projects if you're doing them yourself. Thanks, bye!